Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're doing another taste test. I saw these at the store and I haven't had any other flavor than the regular, so I'm doing the mint chocolate Twinkies by Hostess. Okay, and this is a limited edition for Christmas, I guess, since it has the little elf on here. So I haven't had these before, so I figured I'd give them a try. And so let's open this up and see how they go. Alright, well, they're individually wrapped, black, look just like a Twinkie except for the, well, let's see here. Never really, I don't hate the regular, but haven't been like, oh my gosh, they're so good and stuff. But, so let's see how these go. They smell good. Whoa. Okay. The chocolate sponge cake part, nothing to write home about. Now the mint cream there in the middle, oh, it has some great flavor. But it's okay. I like the if the middle didn't have that big, it has a big pop in flavor. It didn't have that big pop flavor, it would be like, eh. But the cream actually saves this. Okay guys, this was the Hostess mint chocolate Twinkies, limited edition for Christmas. Go out to the store and get you one. They're good. It's the cream that saves them. I'm not that big of a fan of the chocolate sponge cake, but I love the cream. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, take time to subscribe to my channel to see other taste test videos like this. I also do cooking videos. I have one that comes out every Saturday on the cooking videos. I also do some sightseeing and adventure type stuff. So I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to enjoy my Twinkies here. Mm.